everybody, welcome back. I have 2019 Topps High Tech. High. I say that so southern. High. It's supposed to be high. It's high. Anyways, 3 on-card autographs per master box. This is a new and different look. And unless I'm crazy, it's still really early here, but I thought this used to be 2 autos. Somebody please comment below and let me know. Am I right or wrong about that? I thought it was 2. I usually don't overbuy tech. You know, I'm just not crazy about the boxes with so few cards, although I've kind of given in and started buying them more, especially now that I'm sitting on like so many cards. It's ridiculous that the boxes with just a couple of cards are kind of a gift in a way. But anywho, let's get into this. I don't remember how many cards there are total. I want to say like, I don't know, 15. I'm trying to see if it says anywhere. This box isn't over. There we go. 6 cards per mini box, 3 mini boxes per master. So that seems like more cards than usual too, or am I wrong? I don't know. It seems like the last one I opened might have had like 40 cards. What would that be? See, so that's only 18. I don't know. I don't remember. Like I said, I don't open a ton of tech, so. But I do like this new setup. Usually it's a much smaller box. They make this look more of a production, like a bigger deal. So that's kind of cool. There's a mini box. 6 cards. So we're going to get 1 auto per. Yeah, I wish I had read more. I pre-ordered this without actually reading a lot about it. I just knew I was going to want to open one of them. But I actually might get another. Let's see how this goes first. I'm jumping the gun. I hope I can close the mini box. There we go. Yeah, sometimes these patterns, I mean, it's a bit much to figure out. That's one of the reasons I like the look of the cards, but figuring out what I have is kind of a challenge. All right, there's Scooter. Pull the card out. Looks good. Very techy. Josh Hader. Different pattern there. Correa. First autograph. Margevicius. Vicious rookie. Margevicius. I don't know. Anyways, that's the first on-card auto. There is a Marza with a white background. I mean, a white border. Not numbered, but I assume that's a parallel. And a Schwarber blue. Let's see if there's any numbering on this. Not that I see. So that's box 1. An autograph of a player I don't believe I've heard of, so. Definitely not the best. I guess that Schwarber parallel is kind of cool. Alright, pack number 2 has Polanco, Votto, Whit Merrifield, Merrill Kelly, Tech. What, Todd? What are you? Come on. Merrill Kelly. Wah, wah. Kershaw Green, that is numbered down there at the bottom too. Well, it looks like 150. Oh, this is kind of cool. Bagwell white, and it's a young Bagwell too. He looks to be probably late 20s, early 30s there. Looks really young. That's cool. I like that card. Wish I could pull a Piazza out of this. I know the odds of that happening with so few cards are pretty slim, but a girl can dream, can't she? A girl can't get into this box, can she? Okay. Last one. Give me a decent autograph, Topps. Don't do me like this. Oh, nice. Mike Trout, even though it's just the base, I assume. Muncy. Mancini. Oh, here's a kind of cool autograph. Paul DeJong. 250 even. So it's a vet auto numbered parallel. Well, that's not bad. Cool. That helps a little bit, but those other two are Stinksville PU. Cano parallel 250. And an Ohtani blue. So the last pack kind of redeemed it a little bit, but I don't know if you can make up. Those first two mini boxes were pretty brutal. Kershaw green. I mean, maybe Merrill Kelly will be good. I don't know. It's hard to say. Votto, Polanco, Schwarber. I like the white ones. I think these are kind of neat. This guy, I think I actually might have heard of him. But again, two pictures. It's kind of, you know, hard to know. Anywho, thanks for watching. I appreciate you. I may or may not get one more of these. Let me see what the price is doing. I'm really starting to, I love to pre-order stuff, but I'm really starting to notice that I'm getting burned by paying up the pre-order price, because once stuff hits the market, it drops by usually at least $10. I know $10 isn't like a million, but still, I mean, I don't know. There's a price to be paid to make sure you have this stuff on release day. Sometimes I think it's worth it. Sometimes maybe, like in the case of something like this, maybe not. So I don't know. I gotta weigh it out. Anyways, it's cold here in the South. I'm sure it's cold probably where you are too, unless you're maybe in Florida. So I'm gonna bundle up and do some work, and maybe later watch some Christmas shows, because I'm a Christmas addict and I don't know why I'm blabbing on. You've already seen your cards. Everybody take care. Love you guys. See you again. Bye.